In a minute, we are going to react baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda is sometimes called sodium bicarbonate, and that's the chemical formula for that. And vinegar has acetic acid in it, which is C2H4O2. We're going to react those two together in what's called a closed system. And what I have on here is I've already poured some baking soda in the balloon here. So I have a white powdered baking soda in there. And down here I have the vinegar. And you will see the balance reads 136.0 grams with everything on it. I'm going to cover up the mass as we do the chemical reaction. So I'm going to do this by pouring in some of the vinegar, and you can see it's reacting. And I will continue to pour it in. You're going to use this video to answer a few questions for your test.